Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design and locate the text box you want to wrap. Click directly on it to select it. Once selected, you'll notice handles appear around the edges of the text box. These handles are your key to controlling how your text flows and wraps within the box. Now, take a look at the left or right side of your selected text box. You'll see a white pill-shaped handle positioned on either edge. This handle is specifically designed for resizing the width of your text box, which in turn controls how your text wraps. Go ahead and click on this white pill-shaped handle to grab it. Next, drag the handle inward toward the center of the text box. As you do this, you're making the text box narrower, which means there's less horizontal space for your text to occupy. Watch closely as you drag, because something interesting happens automatically. As the text box gets smaller and narrower, your text will start wrapping onto multiple lines. This happens in real time, so you can see exactly how your text will look as it breaks into new lines. This is incredibly useful for creating balanced, readable text layouts, especially when you're working on designs like posters, social media graphics, or presentations where you need your text to fit within specific areas. If you find that the text has wrapped too much or the lines are too short, simply drag the handle back outward to make the text box wider again. This gives you complete control over the text wrapping, allowing you to adjust it until it looks exactly how you want it. You can keep adjusting back and forth until you find the perfect width for your design, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to control text wrapping in Canva by simply adjusting the width of your text box. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.